28. Once again at 4 p.m. at Oklahoma City, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 72. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, fire weather, warm, dry, and windy conditions are expected this afternoon, which will combine with the ongoing drought and lead to elevated to near critical fire weather conditions across parts of western and central Oklahoma and western North Texas. Thunderstorms. There is a chance for severe thunderstorms late this evening and overnight across much of Oklahoma and all of North Texas. For most locations, the primarily hazard from any severe thunderstorms will be large hail, up to the size of golf balls. There will also be the potential for damaging wind gusts and a low tornado risk across western North Texas, southern Oklahoma, and perhaps parts of central Oklahoma late tonight into early Thursday morning. Spotter and emergency management statement. Storm spotter groups and emergency management personnel should prepare for severe weather operations tonight. Winter weather. Rain is expected to transition to freezing rain and sleet and then snow across northern Oklahoma late tonight into early Thursday morning. Snow accumulations are expected. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday, winter weather. Snow is expected across northern Oklahoma Thursday morning. Some freezing rain and sleet may persist across north central Oklahoma before transitioning to snow. A winter storm watch is in effect for northern Oklahoma where 3 or more inches of snow will be possible. Strong winds. Strong northerly winds will spread over the region on Thursday, with gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour likely, especially across the western half of Oklahoma. Where snowfall occurs, mainly across northern Oklahoma, the wind will cause drifting and blowing of snow and make travel very difficult. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. At Oklahoma City.
Top bar. Oh, top bar. You know, Broken Arrow NOAA Weather Radio. Close, but close. You know, Oklahoma Bart Broken Fayetteville area NOAA Weather. Close,
Lows
close.
in the upper 20s.
You know,
Wednesday, mostly cloudy.
AT&T
Slight chance of light
school
rain in the morning,
quiet.
then chance of light rain in the afternoon. Colder. Highs in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 30%. And now the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 10:56 a.m. Central Standard Time. Impactful weather expected tonight into Thursday. This outlook is for northwest and west central Arkansas as well as much of eastern Oklahoma. For today and tonight. Tornado. Risk, limited. Area, along and west of Highway 75 in eastern Oklahoma. Onset, after midnight. Severe thunderstorm. Risk, elevated. Area, eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas. Onset, after midnight. Heavy rain and flash flood. Risk, limited. Area, northeast Oklahoma and far northwest Arkansas. Onset, after midnight. Significant winds. Risk, elevated. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, ongoing. Fire weather danger. Risk, limited. Area, west of Highway 75 in northeast Oklahoma. Onset, ongoing. Discussion. There is an elevated severe storm threat mainly after midnight tonight across eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas, with the primary area of concern along and west of Highway 75 in eastern Oklahoma. Damaging winds will be the main threat, with a low but non-zero potential for a short-lived tornado on the leading edge of a line of storms. Locally heavy rainfall can be expected from the storms, but their fast movement and the ongoing drought conditions will limit the overall flood threat. Strong south winds continue today in advance of an approaching storm system. Frequent wind gusts as high as 45 miles per hour across northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas can be expected through the afternoon. In addition, occasional gusts to 50 miles per hour may occur in the highest elevations of southeast Oklahoma and west central Arkansas. The strong winds will raise fire weather concerns today across parts of northeast Oklahoma along and west of Highway 75, although rising low-level moisture will limit the overall threat. Spotter and Emergency Management Action Statement, activation of the Regional Spotter Network likely. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thursday, winter weather potential, high wind potential. Friday and Saturday, no hazards. Sunday, very high fire weather potential, high wind potential.
Bart, Oklahoma,
Monday,
Bart, United States, all Arkansas, Alabama,
Tuesday,
Alabama,
no
Birmingham
hazards.
area NOAA weather radio
Extended discussion.
P54, multiple
Thunderstorms will
counties
exit
in
the area
Alabama.
rapidly to
1,
the east
Buckland.
Thursday morning with a limited severe weather threat. As colder temperatures filter into the region behind a cold front on Thursday, a band of moderate to heavy wintry precipitation, starting off as a mix and then quickly changing to snow, is forecast to affect portions of northeast Oklahoma. At this time, snow accumulation potential will be highest north of Interstate 44 and closer to the Kansas and Missouri borders, where 1 to 3 inches of snow is expected. Strong north winds gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour combined with moderate to heavy snow could yield near blizzard conditions across portions of Osage County near the Kansas border. Some travel impact and disruption to daily life is looking likely, with threat to life possible. The snow will exit the region by Thursday night. Strong south winds and warmer temperatures will return by the first part of next week, once again raising fire weather concerns. Moisture return by Monday will allow for a return of thunderstorm chances to the region. Weather.gov/Tulsa contains additional information. This is no inches and falling.
United States.
The temperature was 69 degrees with a dew point of 45 degrees. The relative humidity was 41%. The wind was south at 9 miles an hour, gusting to 23. The pressure was 30.25 inches and falling. And now, here are some other observations from around the region. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 71 at the Shelby County Airport and 75 at Montgomery. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 71 at Birmingham, 71 at Auburn, 68 at Decatur, 69 at Atlanta, and 73 at Columbus, Georgia. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the counties served by the National Weather Service Office in Birmingham. For outlook through tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Severe thunderstorms are possible across central Alabama on Thursday. The primary threats will be damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour, tornadoes, and large hail, especially for locations generally west of Interstate 65. Outside any thunderstorm activity, gusty winds will persist through much of the day on Thursday. Wind gusts of 30 to 45 miles per hour.
Arkansas.
Possible, which could lead to downed trees and power lines. Spotter information statement. Activation of storm spotters and emergency management will be needed Thursday and Thursday night. Here is your National Weather Service forecast.
Central, Fayetteville, Fulton, Texarkana. No.
Wind advisory in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to midnight Central Standard Time Thursday night. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, breezy, cloudy. Chance of rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 30 miles per hour, increasing to 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to around 40 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 30%. Thursday night, colder. Rain showers and chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then chance of rain showers after midnight. Lows in the upper storms in the morning.
Close.
Some thunderstorms may be severe. Cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy.
550 Control Center, Air Flashlight cut. Select open controls. G. Stop microphone. Microphone on.
I never actually talk to you guys when I'm stream recording, but
Selected.
I cannot
Screen.
complete Craziness
Credit.
14 with all these events, where all this stuff is going to be.
Thursday night, partly cloudy. Windy.
Now I'm just waiting to see
Much
if
colder.
Shreveport
Lows in
over there,
the
and then we'll see if
mid-20s.
I can get New Orleans, is because they're
Northwest
expecting some
winds
too,
15 to
which
20
might delay
miles per
Louisiana's
hour.
tornado drill, which I
Friday,
might be able to do.
mostly sunny. Cooler. Highs in the lower 50s. North winds 10 miles per hour. Friday night, clear. Lows in the upper 20s.
United States.
West winds
Scanner
5
Rick
miles
Safari.
per hour. Saturday,
Safari.
sunny.
National Weather Service.
in the
Tool.
lower
Show
60s.
bookmark. Show book.
Saturday night,
Is done.
mostly
Bookmark. Read it.
clear.
Select. Subject. This
Lows in the
and Tuesday.
mid-30s.
NOAA Weather Radio
Sunday,
online.
partly
Listen.
cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A
Weather
20%
US.
chance of showers
44
after
New
midnight.
York. 40 New York.
Lows
51
around
Chicago.
50.
51 Chicago. 6
Washington,
Los Angeles.
Thursday,
6 tropical.
mostly
Track NOAA
cloudy.
log. Listen.
Showers
From a
likely.
station in the list.
Highs in the lower
Play
70s.
button. 0.
Chance of showers
Station.
70%.
NOAA tune.
Monday
Stay
night,
tuned.
mostly
Radio
cloudy with a
station
40%
menu.
chance of
Select
showers.
station. Ellipsis.
Lows in
Pop
the
up
upper
button.
50s.
Total home
Tuesday,
roofing. The
cloudy.
best deals on the total
Showers
honest
likely.
ad. Roofing. Visits
Highs in the
button.
lower
State
70s.
city. Column listeners.
Chance of
Column
showers
action
60%.
row 2 city.
Tuesday
Birmingham
night,
listeners
mostly cloudy
1
with a
column
40%
action
chance
state
of
city.
showers.
Mobile listeners
Lows in the
1
mid-40s.
column 3 action state.
Wednesday,
AR act list
mostly
list
cloudy.
list list ro- list list
Chance of
list list
showers in the
list list
morning.
list
Then
list
showers
list list
likely in the
list list
afternoon.
list 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 list
Highs in the
list
lower
list
60s.
list 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 list
Chance
row
of
list
showers
listen
70%.
list listen list row list
Here's
list
the
listen
hazardous
listen
weather outlook
state
for
ID
portions of
row
South Central
23
Arkansas, Southwest Arkansas, North Central Louisiana, Northwest Louisiana, Southeast Oklahoma, East Texas, and Northeast
Here you guys go.
Texas. For this afternoon and tonight, showers and thunderstorms will increase in coverage in western areas overnight. However, the most hazardous impacts will not occur before sunrise on Thursday.
Which is bad because I won't be
For
able to
the
get them.
period Thursday through Tuesday, showers and thunderstorms will increase once again after daybreak on Thursday as a strong storm system pushes across the four-state region. These thunderstorms have the greatest chance of becoming strong to severe through the day. At this time, all modes of severe weather are considered possible, including damaging winds, large hail, and isolated tornadoes. After storms exit the region on Thursday, no further hazardous conditions are anticipated through the remainder of the forecast period. Activation of emergency management personnel, amateur radio operators, and storm spotters will not be needed through tonight.
list row list list row list list row list list row listen state heal city Hancock act row list list row list list row
Illinois has
list
probably
row
one of
list
the
list
dumb-
row list list
Illinois
row
probably has
list
the
list
most
row list
stations
list
on
list
this
row
list.
list list row list list row list list row state Chi city Frankfurt act row list list state Chi city Owenton act state LA city Baton Rouge listeners 2 action listen row 43
Or
column
shifting
4.
to the north after midnight.
I'm not sure
Friday,
if they have a
much
hazardous
cooler.
weather outlooks, but we're about
Partly
to find
cloudy.
out in this.
Highs in the mid-50s.
And then I'll
North winds 10 to 15 miles per
stop
hour.
looking at hazardous weather outlooks
Friday
and
night,
we can get to
mostly
the action
clear.
if we get anything.
Lows in the mid-30s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows around
I
40.
don't actually know what this
Sunday,
cycle
partly
looks like.
cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s.
Cycles.
Sunday night, warmer. Partly cloudy with slight chance of rain showers in the evening, then mostly cloudy with chance of rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Washington's birthday, mostly cloudy. Chance of rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then chance of rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of precipitation 50%. These are tides for the following locations: Louisiana Tides, Lakeborn at the Rigolets. High tide is at 3:30 a.m. Thursday. Low tide is at 1 p.m. Thursday. Range 0.7 feet. southwest pass of the Mississippi River. High tide is at 9:30 p.m. today. Low tide is at 6:30 a.m. Thursday. Range 1.3 feet. Barataria Pass at Grand Isle. High tide is at 10 p.m. today. Low tide is at 8:30 a.m. Thursday. Range 1.1 foot. New Orleans sunrise at 6:39 a.m. and sunset at 5:50 p.m. Baton Rouge sunrise at 6:44 a.m. and sunset at 5:54 p.m. Mississippi River stages. Baton Rouge 20.3 feet, Reserve 9.5 feet, New Orleans 6.3 feet, Amite River and Denham Springs 10.8 feet, Atchafalaya River at Morgan City 2.5 feet. These are the 5 p.m. Central Standard Time observations for the local area on Wednesday, February 16th. At Baton Rouge, cloudy. Temperature 73 degrees, dew point 59, and the relative humidity 61%. Wind southeast at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 30. The pressure 30.07 inches and steady. At Lafayette, cloudy. Temperature 73 degrees, dew point 61, and the relative humidity 65%. Wind south at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 30. The pressure 30.04 inches and falling. Here are some observations outside the metro area. Lake Charles, partly sunny. 72. Alexandria, partly sunny. 74. Shreveport, partly sunny. 76. Monroe, mostly sunny. 75. New Orleans International Airport, mostly cloudy. 73. Macomb, Mississippi, cloudy. 71. Here is the forecast for the following parish: East Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast.
Does not have a hazardous weather. Like, okay, so what they're saying.
Winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 30 miles per hour. Thursday, patchy fog in the morning. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then showers and chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s.
They did have the
South winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to around 40 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Thursday night, much colder. Partly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 30s.
Listener, action, state, LA, city, Monroe, listeners, 0, act, state, MA, row 4.
Much cooler. Partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s.
So, while my radio is approaching what I want you guys to see, I cannot completely rule out complete craziness 14. That's why I'm recording this. We have a bunch of severe weather on the way to my south, down in the Dixie Alley region. I'm up here north, not too far away from the National Weather Service here from my hometown, which is why I can get this station so close. The National Weather Service does say the system could produce something significant. I disagree. Correction, I agree. I think we're going to get something significant. What will we get, though? For here, we're going to get some flooding, which I'll show you guys here in just a few seconds. Let's jump over to my local
61 at Cincinnati. Once again, at Indianapolis, it was 58
Pay attention if you want to know what
skies. This is no
I wouldn't expect anything from my station given the following.
in Indianapolis. Flood watch remains in effect from 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening through Thursday evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. The areas affected include all of central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening through Thursday evening. The following impacts are expected. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Low water crossings may be flooded.
Additional details, heavy rain is expected Wednesday night into Thursday. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are likely with locally higher amounts possible. These amounts can lead to both aerial and river flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Here is a wind advisory statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Wind advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. South winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, north central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details, the strongest winds are expected through 4 p.m. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.
Got back just in time.
And now a look at your forecast for Indianapolis and...
So yeah, we're gonna get flooding down there in the Dixie Alley region, all the way down to Dallas. Oh shoot, I might be able to get Dallas's hazardous weather outlook for you guys.
City, state, MA, list, state, MI, city, row 6, state, Mo, row, listen, state, okay, city, Bartlesville, alert, low bat, 20, low close, address, with page collapse, pre-show, vert, term, privis, con, fall, sabina, bina, mid, state, no of an lot set, city, San Angelo, column, listeners, city, Palestine, listeners, city, Lufkin, column, city, Fort Worth, column 2, action, listen, row 113, column 4, link, listen, row, city, Dallas, action, listen, row 112.
Thursday night, mostly clear. Much colder with lows in the upper 20s. North winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. North winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday night, clear, cold with lows in the lower 30s. East winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming south after midnight. Saturday, sunny. Not as cool with highs in the mid-60s. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Not as cool with lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs around 70. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers after midnight. Not as cool with lows around 60. Washington's birthday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 70. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers after midnight. Cooler with lows around 40. Wednesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. a 50% chance of showers. Much cooler with highs in the lower 50s. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. This afternoon and tonight. There is a chance of thunderstorms tonight across north and central Texas associated with a dry line and a cold front. A few storms may contain damaging winds and hail. An isolated tornado is also not out of the question. The most likely area for a strong to severe weather threat will be north of Interstate 20 and west of Interstate 35.
Don't know what those are.
Limited spotter activation may be requested along and north of Interstate 20 and west of Interstate 35 tonight. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Thursday through Tuesday. There is a chance of storms on Monday and Tuesday. There is a low potential for severe weather mainly over areas east of the Interstate 35 corridor. Elevated fire weather conditions will return to the western parts of the region Sunday and again Monday. The ultraviolet index forecast for February 7th.
Scanner radio. Unite Arkansas. Fayetteville area. Full. Central Arkansas NOAA weather radio.
Mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s.
United.
Highs in the mid-60s. South winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Sunday night in Washington's birthday, a slight chance of showers overnight, then showers likely during the day. Lows in the mid-40s. Highs in the upper 60s. South winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. The chance of rain 70%. Monday night and Tuesday, a chance of showers overnight, then showers likely during the day. Lows in the lower 50s. Highs around 70. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. The chance of rain 70%. Tuesday night and Wednesday, cooler. A chance of showers overnight, then showers likely during the day. A chance of rain in the afternoon. Lows around 40. Highs in the upper 50s. North winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. The chance of rain 70%. A weather advisory is in effect for the following counties in Arkansas, Cleburne, Faulkner, Grant, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Prairie, Pulaski, Saline, and White. Wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. Thursday. South winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour through tonight. Winds will increase further on Thursday, with south winds 15 to 30 miles per hour and gusts up to 45 miles per hour possible. Portions of central, eastern, north central, and southeast Arkansas until 6 p.m. Thursday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Travel will become difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Here are the latest weather conditions at 5 p.m. in central Arkansas at Little Rock. Skies were cloudy. The temperature was 71 degrees, the dew point 52, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was south at 8 miles an hour. The barometer stood at 29.93 inches and was falling. At North Little Rock, the temperature was 67, dew point 55, humidity 65. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The barometer was 29.90 inches and falling. At Jacksonville, the temperature was 68 degrees. At Conway, the temperature was 68 degrees. At Benton, the temperature was 70 degrees. Elsewhere, at Pine Bluff, skies were mostly cloudy. The temperature was 72 degrees. At Hot Springs, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 69 degrees. At Russellville, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 68 degrees. At Fort Smith, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 67 degrees. At Fayetteville, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 64 degrees. At Harrison, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 62 degrees. At Jonesboro, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 66 degrees. At Texarkana, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 73 degrees. And in Tennessee, Memphis reported cloudy and 72 degrees. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. Your National Weather Service forecast for Central Arkansas. Wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. Central.
Screen Scanner Radio, United States Top 8 of Central R. Stop button. Play. Close button. Close. Screen record. Control center. Flashlight. Switch button.
Now that I can talk to you guys without the radio stations, I'm saying we're probably definitely going to have a tornado outbreak. This is definitely going to be at least a major severe weather event. We'll just have to see if it's complete craziness or not. So just be prepared for a possible complete craziness episode, and I'm sorry this video was so long.
Selected.